Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video, we will talk about how to manage stress in life. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share. And please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. How to manage stress in life. Managing stress is an important skill for maintaining overall well-being. Here are some strategies you can consider incorporating into your life to help manage stress. Number 1, identify the source. Understand the root causes of your stress. Sometimes it's a specific situation, while other times it might be a pattern of thinking or a lifestyle choice. Number 2, practice mindfulness and meditation. Mindfulness techniques and meditation can help you stay present and reduce the impact of stress. These practices can promote relaxation and provide mental clarity. Number 3, exercise regularly. Physical activity releases endorphins, which are natural mood lifters. Regular exercise can help reduce stress and improve your overall mood. Number 4, maintain a healthy lifestyle. Eating a balanced diet, getting enough sleep, and avoiding excessive caffeine and alcohol can contribute to your body's ability to handle stress. Number 5, time management. Organize your tasks and set priorities. Break larger tasks into smaller, manageable steps. This can help you feel more in control of your time and reduce stress from feeling overwhelmed. Number 6, set realistic goals. Unrealistic expectations can lead to stress. Set achievable goals and be kind to yourself if you don't meet every single one. Number 7, social support. Talking to friends, family, or a therapist about your stress can provide emotional support and fresh perspectives on your situation. Number 8, deep breathing and relaxation techniques. Deep breathing, progressive muscle relaxation, and other relaxation techniques can help calm your body's stress response. Number 9, engage in hobbies. Engaging in activities you enjoy can divert your mind from stressors and bring a sense of accomplishment and pleasure. Number 10, limit technology use. Reduce screen time and digital overload as constant connectivity can contribute to stress. Number 11, practice time for yourself. Set aside time for self-care, whether it's reading, taking a bath, or simply spending time alone. 12, learn to say no. Overcommitting yourself can lead to stress. Learn to say no when you're already stretched thin. 13, positive self-talk. Challenge negative thoughts with positive affirmations and rational thinking. Practice self-compassion. 14, laugh and have fun. Laughter can reduce stress hormones and increase feelings of happiness. Engage in activities that make you laugh and have fun. 15, seek professional help. If stress becomes overwhelming and affects your daily life, consider speaking to a mental health professional. Therapy and counseling can provide you with effective tools to manage stress. Remember, managing stress is an ongoing process. Different strategies may work better for different people, so it's important to find what suits you best. Building a toolkit of stress management techniques can empower you to handle life challenges more effectively. Okay guys, so this is the end of my report on how to manage stress in life. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you have learned something new in this video. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.